Hi, my name is Andrew Young and I am with Land of Lincoln Credit Union. Today I want to talk to you about choosing the right financial institution for your business. Before we talk about the things you need to think about, it's important that you do your homework. And there are two things you need to consider. First, know your financials. How much debt do you have? That's important to know, and also how much debt you can handle. This goes into cash flow. You really need to have a good understanding of your cash flow and what you can handle. So whenever you are talking with your lender, you will know what kind of payments you'll be able to handle. Also, have a vision for where you want your business to be. This is important because you should be looking at a 2 to 3 or even 5-year plan. Don't think about just the next 6 months. The other piece of homework you need to do is know your needs. Know what kind of products that you need to help you be productive. It's not just checking accounts and savings accounts. But you also need to consider credit cards, debit cards, what type of products they have for you to do remote captures at your business. What kind of online business interface do you have that you can work with? Do they offer employee checking accounts, and do they offer credit cards for your employees? Now, once you've considered all of that, first thing you want to consider is size. Does the financial institution meet your needs as far as size? Some financial institutions will see you as either too big or too small. And that's fine either way. At least you know how they view you. Larger financial institutions typically go for home runs, meaning that they only want large loans and large relationships. Smaller financial institutions are much more attuned to the local market and really try to build the relationship. They can also handle the smaller relationships with no problems. Also, smaller institutions typically work very well with the Small Business Administration. Small Business Administration can offer guarantees of up to 85% that helps the financial institution get to a yes. If there's a deficiency that exists with your company, the SBA guarantee can help them get over any type of issues that they may have. Another thing to consider are locations. Where is the financial institution located? Consider where its proximity is to your office, your home, and the places that you will travel. Do you have employees that travel nationwide that need to have access to branches and branch networks that can help them withdraw and deposit money, have access to ATMs? Here at Land of Lincoln Credit Union, we are part of a shared branching network that offers over 65,000 locations for people to do their banking. They can go to ATMs, they can go inside the branch and do deposits and withdrawals like they would at their home branch. Also think about, do you need certified checks? Is it something that a branch can get for you? Does the financial institution feel like a good fit for your business and its needs? Do they have the expertise to help you when you have decisions? Also, think of the lending authority that your lender has. Are they able to approve you for the loan that you are looking for, or do they need to go outside of their branch and possibly to a committee to be able to approve that? This is important if you have a timely need. It's also important to make sure that all your financials are up to date with your lender so that they can make that decision. Another thing to consider is, what is their reputation? Do they have a reputation of being small business friendly? Or do they have a reputation of wanting to help only large institutions? It's important that you ask your family and friends if they have worked with any of these people before to see what they think. And last thing, why not credit unions? Most people do not know that credit unions are capable of doing business loans. It's true that credit unions do a great job with offering low interest rates on cars and fair interest rates on savings and checking accounts. But one thing that people don't realize are that credit unions can do a lot of things that banks can do. We can do lines of credit. We can finance commercial buildings. We even work with the Small Business Administration. So the next time that you are considering a financial institution, I ask that you consider Land of Lincoln Credit Union. We've been very successful at helping our small businesses grow over the years. And we have been very successful with working with the Small Business Administration and obtaining those guarantees. Thank you and have a great day.